Dear children, let us continue the revision program day 2. Today let us learn the second long answer question, formation of stationary wave in open pipe. Already in yesterday's class we have learned about formation of stationary waves in stretched strings. This is also a similar question. In case of strings, loops are formed. At the ends of loops, nodes are formed. Whereas in case of organ pipes, at the open end, antinodes are formed. At the closed end, nodes are formed. Let us go through the second long answer question, formation of stationary waves in a open pipe. Let us go through the question 2. Let us start from stationary wave. What is a stationary wave? Two progressive waves of same amplitude, wavelength, time period and speed are superimposed. Then a new wave is formed. That wave is known as stationary wave. Stationary waves are of two types. What are they? First one is transverse stationary waves, which they forms in stretched strings. In yesterday class we have learned about it. The second one is longitudinal stationary waves. These waves forms in organ pipes. That means in case of open pipe and in case of closed pipe. Let us go through the class from formation of stationary wave in stretched strings. Okay na? Let us go through the formation of stationary waves in case of open pipe. In case of first mode of vibration or a single loop forms in the open pipe. Let us consider a open pipe. Open pipe means it's an organ pipe or hollow cylindrical tube. Both ends are open, which is known as open pipe. If one end is closed, the other is open, then it is known as closed pipe. Let us consider the open pipe. So both ends are open. From this open pipe, let two progressive waves are passing and one of them gets reflected. Both the progressive wave and reflected wave are superimposed. Then a stationary wave forms in the organ pipe. If a stationary wave forms in the organ pipe, at the open ends, antinodes are formed. In case of closed pipe, at the closed end, nodes are formed. Let us consider the length of the organ pipe is L. At the open ends, antinodes are formed. The distance between two successive antinodes is lambda by 2. Let us find the frequency of the wave. Let V be the velocity, let it be V, and frequency we have to determine, that is next wavelength. L is equals to lambda by 2. From this equation, lambda is equals to 2L. From the equation, velocity of sound V is equals to n lambda. That implies n is equals to V by lambda. That implies frequency n is equals to V by 2L. This is known as fundamental frequency. Or first harmonic. Once again I am repeating. Formation of stationary wave in open pipe. First we are considering open pipe case. Next later on we will learn closed pipe. Same as in case of stretched string, when the waves forms through the organ pipes forms a stationary waves. A wave reflects and forms the stationary wave. At the open ends, antinodes are formed. In case of closed pipe, at the closed end, nodes are formed. Let us consider a organ pipe of length L. A stationary wave is formed and hence at the ends, open ends, two antinodes are formed. Then the distance between two successive antinodes will be lambda by 2. Let us have to calculate the frequency. For frequency, let us consider velocity of sound v is equals to v, and we have to find the frequency n by basing on the equation v is equals to n lambda. Here L is equals to lambda by 2. So L is equals to lambda by 2. Therefore lambda is equals to 2L. Substitute these values in v is equals to n lambda. From this equation, frequency n is equals to v by lambda. Therefore n is equals to v by, as lambda is equals to 2L, so n is equals to v by 2L. This expression is known as fundamental frequency or first harmonic. Next case, second mode of vibration or two loops formed in open pipe. Let us consider the same pipe of same length L. Now two loops are formed. This is the half loop and this is the half loop. This is the full loop. Here let us consider the distance between two successive antinodes or lambda by 2. Again the distance between the two successive nodes is lambda by 2. So length of the pipe L is equals to lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2. That implies 2 lambda by 2. That equals to lambda. Therefore lambda is equals to L. Next, velocity of sound v is equals to v and frequency n is equals to, let us consider it as n dash. We have to determine the value of n dash. Let us substitute these values in v is equals to n lambda. That implies frequency n is equals to v by lambda. Let us substitute these values in this equation. N is equals to n dash, v is equals to v, lambda is equals to L. We have to compare this equation with the fundamental frequency. What is the fundamental frequency? N is equals to v by 2L. Here we have to multiply with the 2. So I will multiply and divide by 2. Then this value becomes n dash is equals to 2 into v by 2L. Yes, v by 2L is equals to frequency n, because of frequency n is equals to v by 2L, as earlier we have learned. So this equation becomes n dash is equals to 2n. This is the second harmonic or first overtone. Once again I am explaining. In case of second mode of vibration or two loops are formed in the open pipe. At the ends of open pipe, two antinodes are formed. At the midpoint, another antinode forms. Distance between two successive antinodes or distance between two successive nodes is lambda by 2. So, in between the two antinodes is lambda by 2. In between these two antinodes is lambda by 2. So, resultant L is equals to lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2. So, L is equals to lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2. LCM 2 and lambda plus lambda 2 lambda by 2. Here 2 cancels and lambda. Therefore, lambda is equals to L. Velocity of sound v is equals to v. Frequency n is, let us consider it as n dash. We have to find out. Let us substitute these values in v is equals to n lambda. From this equation n is equals to v by lambda. Here n is equals to n dash, v is equals to v, lambda is equals to L. Let us have to compare this equation with the fundamental frequency n is equals to v by 2L. So that I am multiplying and dividing the expression by 2. So the equation becomes n dash is equals to 2 into v by 2l. But v by 2l is equals to n. So that n dash is equals to 2n. This is known as second harmonic or first overtone. In third mode of vibration, or if three loops forms in the open pipe. At the ends of open ends, antinodes are formed. In case of the remaining two loops, antinodes are formed in the midpoints of the loops. The successive distance between these two nodes is lambda by 2, and in between these two antinodes is lambda by 2, and in between these two antinodes is lambda by 2. So total length of the open pipe is L, and total distance between the antinodes will be lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2, 3 lambda by 2. From this equation, lambda is equals to 2L by 3. We have to find the frequency of the velocity of sound. So velocity of sound V is equals to V, and let us consider frequency N is equals to N double dash. Then we have to substitute these values in equation velocity of sound V is equals to N lambda. From this equation, N is equals to V by lambda. Let us substitute these values. N is equals to N double dash, and velocity of sound V is equals to V. Lambda is equals to 2L by 3. Let us write it as N double dash is equals to 3 into V by 2L. As V by 2L is equals to the fundamental frequency. Fundamental frequency N is equals to V by 2L. So that let us substitute V by 2L as N double dash is equals to 3 into N. This is known as third harmonic or second overtone. Once again I am repeating. Same organ pipe of length L opened at two ends, which is known as open pipe. In this case, third mode of vibration or three loops forms in the open pipe. If three loops form in the open pipe, at the open ends antinodes are formed. In the midpoints, the antinodes are also formed. So the distance between two successive antinodes will be lambda by 2, lambda by 2 and lambda by 2. So let us have to find the frequency. Substituting, let us calculate the length. L is equals to lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2. Total 3 lambda by 2. L, from this equation, lambda is equals to 2L by 3. Again, velocity of sound will be V. Frequency will be, let us consider it as N double dash. So V is equals to N lambda. N is equals to V by lambda. By substituting these values, N is equals to N dash, V is equals to V, lambda is equals to 2L by 3. From this expression, velocity N double dash is equals to 3 into V by 2L. V by 2L equals to fundamental frequency N. So, N double dash is equals to 3 into N. This is the third harmonic or second overtone. At last, let us conclude. Frequency in first mode of vibration will be N is equals to V by 2L. Frequency in second mode of vibration N dash is equals to 2 into V by 2L, which is equals to N dash is equals to 2N. Frequency in third mode of vibration N double dash is equals to 3 into V by 2L, which is N double dash is equals to 3 into L, and so on. Then the ratio of harmonics in open pipe will be frequencies N is to 2N is to 3N is to, and so on. Then the ratio of harmonics in open pipe will be 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to, and so on. Ratio of harmonics in case of open pipe will be 1 is to, 2 is to, 3 is to, and so on, N. Okay? There are two problems based on the frequency of stationary wave in open pipe mode. So let us go through the problems, tag problems for 2 marks. A pipe of 30 centimeters long is open at both ends. What he is saying? Open at both ends. That means open pipe of length 30 centimeters. So length of pipe is 30 centimeters, which is equals to 3 into 10 power minus 2 meters. I am converting the units. Next, what the data given? Velocity of sound is also given. Velocity of sound is 330 meters per second. Then what to find? Find the fundamental frequency. What is the expression for fundamental frequency in open pipe? Fundamental frequency N is equals to V by 2L. Already they have given the data. Velocity of sound V is equals to given, and length of the pipe L is also given. Substitute the values. Velocity of sound 330 meters per second, and length of the pipe is 3 into 10 power minus 2 meters. 3 into 10 power minus 2 meters. By simplifying, N dash frequency N is equals to 330 by 2 into 3, 6, 10 power minus 2 numerator ki shift అయితే into 100. 6 ఇందులో n times పోతుంది? 5, 6 the 30, 30 again 5 times. So frequency that equals to, pause, just a minute. Here it's 30, not 3, 30 into 10 power minus 2. So 2 into 30, 60. So 55 into 10, that equals to 550. Frequency, what are the units for frequency? 550 Hz. Once again I am explaining. A tag problem is given as a pipe of 30 centimeters long is open at both ends. Open at both ends means it's a open pipe. Find the fundamental frequency. What he is asking? To find the frequency. The data given is velocity of sound in air is 330 meters per second. Here the expression for fundamental frequency in open pipe is N is equals to V by 2L. There V is equals to 330 and L is given as 30 centimeters. It is converted into meters. 30 into 10 power minus 2 meters. Substitute these two values in this equation. Here N is equals to V 330 by 2 into L 30 into 10 power minus 2. Here 0 is cancelled. 6 is divided by 330 divided by 6 equals to 55. 55 into 10 is equals to 550 Hz. So today what we have learned is formation of stationary wave in open pipe. In case of first mode of vibration, frequency N is equals to V by 2L. In case of second mode of vibration, N dash is equals to 2 into V by 2L, which is equals to 2N, and N double dash is equals to 3 into V by 2L. This is equals to 3N. Hence the ratio of harmonics is N1 is to N is to 2N is to 3N is to, and so on, which is equals to 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to, and so on. This is the second long answer question from wave motion. Already in last class we have learned about formation of stationary wave in a stretched string and verify the laws of transverse waves. In this second question we have learned about formation of stationary wave in organ pipes. First case is open pipe. Open pipe means the hollow cylindrical tube opened at two ends. Two waves which are in opposite direction having same amplitude, wavelength, time period and speed are superimposed, a stationary wave is formed. If stationary wave forms, loops are formed. If loops are formed, at the ends of loops, nodes are formed. At the midpoint, antinodes are formed. In case of open pipe, at the open ends, antinodes are formed. So, at the open ends, antinodes are formed, then the distance between two successive antinodes will be lambda by 2. Similar as stretched spring case. So, then we have to find the frequencies. First mode of vibration, n is equals to v by 2l. Second mode of vibration, n dash is equals to 2 into v by 2l. Third mode of vibration, n double dash is equals to 3 into v by 2l. Then the ratio of harmonics will be n is to 2n is to 3n is to and so on. Then 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to and so on. This is the ratio of harmonics. Okay.